In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share or resend an invoice in HoneyBook. If you're a creative professional or a small business owner using HoneyBook, you know how critical it is to manage invoicing efficiently. Sending invoices promptly not only helps your cash flow, but also maintains professionalism with your clients. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to share or resend an invoice using HoneyBook, ensuring that you can manage your financial transactions smoothly and seamlessly. To get started, first, open your client's project within the HoneyBook platform. This is where all your client interactions, project details, and documents are housed, keeping everything organized and in one place. Once you're in the project view, you'll want to navigate to the invoice section. This section consolidates all the financial aspects of your client relationship, making it easy to track what's due and what's been paid. When you're in the invoice section, you'll notice the option to send an invoice at the top right corner in the client portal view. It's a straightforward process. Simply click on the send button, and this action will prompt you to review the message you're about to send along with the invoice. This is an important step. Take a moment to ensure that all the details in the message are correct and clearly communicate the necessary information to your client. Personalizing your message can make it more impactful, as it adds that human touch that digital communications sometimes lack. Once you've reviewed and are satisfied with your message, you can confidently hit the send button again. At this point, HoneyBook takes care of delivering your invoice to your client. You may want to confirm receipt with your client or check HoneyBook again after a day or two to ensure that there hasn't been a delivery issue. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily send or resend an invoice, keeping your business transactions running smoothly and efficiently. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the tools you use regularly so you can leverage them to their fullest potential. HoneyBook is a robust platform designed to assist you in managing your projects efficiently, and mastering its invoicing feature is a key part of that. Stay organized, ensure timely payments, and maintain a positive relationship with your clients by adhering to these efficient invoicing practices. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key to effective invoicing is staying organized and ensuring clear communication with your clients. Until next time, happy invoicing.